Hello, everyone. My name is Chandrinka Shankarnaryan, and I am VP of Tableau Product Management at Salesforce. Today, I'll be talking to you about how to unlock your Customer 360 data with Tableau Analytics, specifically how Tableau Analytics enables data mesh. A little bit about me. I'm responsible for data management and platform and capabilities within Tableau at Salesforce. I have over 20 years of experience leading and growing cloud scale services from inception to maturity. Primarily have spent most of that time at Microsoft working on various different cloud services. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about what we're doing within Tableau and Salesforce to enable world-class analytics in partnership with the rest of the Salesforce ecosystem, as well as Starburst. So let's get started. We know that today, every digital strategy needs to include a data strategy. In fact, no digital transformation is complete without a data transformation. Because no matter what the world throws at us or how uncertain time gets, data will always be the one place that businesses turn for guidance. Whether we want to be more productive, more sustainable, we want to aim to increase efficiency, automate processes, or build customer trust, data can do it all. But there's still a lot of work to do. Even though it's clear how important data is, not enough businesses are using it. What we hear is that 83% of CEOs say they want to be more data-driven. And yet, just 30% of employees say their company actually is data-driven. Clearly, the desire is there, but the execution, not so much. And why is that? Well, because accessing and managing data today is really hard. And for a lot of people, analytics is either kind of scary or something they don't want to deal with at all. Let's talk a little bit about how we approach data management through decentralization and federated governance. In the world where majority of enterprises struggle with deriving value from their ever-growing stores of data, where data teams are centralized, monolithic architectures, and restrictive governance policies make it difficult to access data and use data needed to solve business critical problems. The problem here is not just one of technology, but also in the way data is managed by organizations. Let's look at 4 pillars that we think make sense in order to achieve the scalable approach for data management. Firstly, decentralizing data ownership, giving business domains such as sales, marketing, finance, etc., ownership of the data they create. What this does is, the benefit is that the domain's familiarity with the data will provide deeper insights into where, why, and how the data should be used. The second mechanism is making data discoverable, understandable, and usable in the same way you search for and purchase products. Data is considered a product by each domain that publishes it. And this approach empowers domain owners to become fully responsible and accountable for their data. The third important piece of this puzzle is self-service data and analytics. And that makes data accessible to the members of the organization who need it to make informed business decisions. It simplifies things like data discovery, enables data democratization, making it quick and easy for anyone to surface relevant insights. The fourth pillar here is needs somewhat testing, and it's the least understood. And that's about establishing governance policies for each decentralized domain to ensure that all domain owners operate within a consistent framework. Now, the idea is that you centralize things that are core to your business, but you push everything else to the domains. Obviously, you start small and you iterate. Now, let's bring this all back to how we make analytics useful in the world where we can establish these scalable data management practices. This is where Tableau can play a huge part. Tableau enables data mesh by providing self-service analytics and democratizing the reach of analytics, meeting users where they are. Tableau's strength has always been to enable customers to explore and see and understand their data. These analytical processes are often iterative in nature. They start with the business problem, followed by data discovery, data preparation, the analysis and operationalizing the workflow to create a lasting business value. Tableau's data management stack helps customers to reduce the effort required to manage, reduce data fragmentation, enable the reuse of data, accelerate overall adoption, and enable business users to consume data with confidence. It also enables less skilled business analysts to become more versatile in the integration and modeling process. This approach combines self-service with governance. It's data management for the last mile, data management for analytics. Let's dive deeper and look at what we have to offer here. There are three core components to this solution. First and foremost, self-service data preparation for everyone. Tableau Prep is designed as a self-service solution for business users to prepare, profile, shape, and clean data for analysis. We'll continue to focus on the business user and expand to include advanced transformations such as removing unused data, updating extract frequency based on data usage patterns or updated data policies, etc. Tableau Prep will use machine learning plus existing catalog data to automatically clean and shape data and do things like auto detection of specific artifacts such as zip code or spatial data, thereby reducing the workload for data administrators. Secondly, Tableau Collaborative Catalog acts as a guide for data discovery and insights into data usage and optimization. Catalog standardizes how users connect to data. The Tableau Catalog has three core functions. First, to guide analytics users to the right trusted data sources. Second, to provide additional data context at the point of consumption. Third, to provide administrators rich insights on data usage to continuously improve availability and performance. The third piece of this puzzle is data governance as an end-to-end trust service. Our governance service provides comprehensive functionality to secure data from ingestion through viewing, the ability to control access to any data that passes through the data ingestion service, builds trust required to make data available to anyone who needs it. And of course, governance extends beyond just security. We need to provide companies with the ability to comply with specific compliance policies and guidelines like CDMC out of the box, provide pre-formatted reporting, leverage AI and ML to auto-classify data. And we need to do this consistently across Salesforce data assets, as well as other customers' other data as well. Now, this is where we can strengthen the virtuous analytical circle. We can leverage our deep understanding of how data is being used to help business users unlock the value of data while giving organizations full visibility, governance, and compliance across their analytics environment. A lot of this data is customer-centric data. And for Salesforce customers, this data lives in Customer 360, the holistic data solution for Salesforce customers, recently named Salesforce Genie. We just launched this week at Dreamforce. Salesforce Genie will be that data mesh with Tableau providing world-class BI and analytics over all data, no matter where it lives. No more copying to or from other warehouses, just real-time secure access. Powered by enterprise-grade cloud infrastructure that supports things like data residency, security, compliance, scaled out storage, compute, and a data management platform with support for things like identity resolution, consent management, information model for unified profile, segmentation, insights, and actions. That's where our data and analytics story goes bigger and bolder, because now all of our amazing technologies can tap into this automated, intelligent, and real-time platform for all of your data. When you bring all of this innovation and data together, the possibilities are truly, truly endless. Now let's switch gears and talk about how we are making our ecosystem better with Tableau and dive into Tableau plus Starburst better together. As you all know, Starburst provides a unified layer across different data sources, complete with security. It's a single place for data access. Tableau makes data useful by providing visibility via analytics and insights into the last mile, enabling self-service data preparation and enrichment, supporting metadata catalog with complete governance. What we have today in the market is a two-way connector for metadata to be ingested into Starburst and vice versa. What this provides is a best-of-breed combination of data mesh plus analytics. Tableau consumes data from Starburst data mesh to provide best-in-class analytics and insights, and Tableau insights provide feedback loop back into the mesh for continuous improvement. This is a great combination. Let's jump into a demo to truly see how this integration works. The Starburst Enterprise Connector gives Tableau users the ability to combine enterprise scale data from multiple sources with exceptionally fast performance. Using the Starburst Enterprise Connector is as simple as using any other native connector in Tableau. Simply select Starburst Enterprise by Starburst from the list of connectors, provide your basic connection details for your Starburst cluster, select your preferred auth method, enter your credentials, you sign in. With Starburst Enterprise Connector, Tableau users now have access to all of the data sources their Starburst cluster is connected to. You're able to access all the data through a single connection in Tableau. Users can drag individual tables onto the data canvas to build their data set. Or for optimal performance, you can use custom SQL or even leverage curated data products that have been created in Starburst. So with Starburst, users can no longer need to rely on extracts or run the risk of working with stale data. Instead, they can use live connections to ensure they're working with fresh data. Thanks to the lightning fast performance of Starburst, users no longer need to leave auto updates turned off. As they make adjustments to their reports, results are quickly returned so they can stay in the flow. Now, all of this is made possible due to how Starburst is architected. Starburst will process the query in parallel, pushing down any optimizations it can, and then return the final combined result set back to Tableau for the analyst to work with. Fantastic, right? Let's switch gears and take a moment to look at a customer case study that showcases the power of Starburst plus Tableau, Priceline. Here's the problem Priceline set out to solve. Through Starburst Enterprise, Priceline was needing to modernize their data infrastructure in order to improve quality and responsiveness of their travel recommendation engine. Of course, their ultimate goal was to increase revenue and customer satisfaction. Now, how did they achieve this? Through Starburst Enterprise, Priceline was able to access data across a number of different data sources: Google BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL, and Oracle databases seamlessly. With the power of Tableau's analytics and user-friendly experiences and Tableau's integration with Starburst, Priceline was able to achieve federated analytics across all of their data estates seamlessly. Now, the results speak for themselves. They were able to have the ability to combine historical and real-time customer data to unlock new insights. They were able to achieve 10x reduction in storage costs, real-time insights, improved security and privacy controls over all of their customer data. This unlocked new business capabilities and recommendation capabilities for Priceline and added tremendous value to the line of business for Priceline. This is a great story that showcases the power of Starburst and Tableau together. In summary, Tableau is the industry-leading BI solution that provides the ultimate visibility over your data, no matter where the data lives. Together with Salesforce Genie, Tableau provides best-in-class analytics and insights over a wide range of data that live both within and outside of the Salesforce ecosystem, and thereby brings out the power of Salesforce data platform to our analytics customers. Tableau plays really well with our ecosystem by bringing tremendous business value to our joint customers of Tableau and Starburst, providing best-in-class analytics over Starburst's powerful data management infrastructure. Thank you.